Welcome. Till now, we have studied about natural numbers. Natural numbers are counting numbers. We know that the 1 is the smallest natural number. Then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dot 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 means continuations. The smallest number is 1 and there is no biggest number since the numbers are infinite. The natural number along with 0, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, continuation dot dot dot. Here 0 is the smallest whole number and there is no biggest whole number since the numbers are infinite. Now this all natural number and whole number together along with this number and negative numbers makes integers. What integer is a group of positive numbers and negative numbers along with 0 is known as integers. Now again we have after the integers we know that there are some numbers which are in fractions, that is in the form of m by n, and such numbers are known as the rational numbers, but here denominator should not be equal to 0. For example, let us see in the textbook. In previous standards, we have learned that counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 are called natural numbers. We know that natural numbers 0 and the opposite numbers of natural numbers together form a group of integers. We are also familiar with fractions like 7 by 11, 2 by 5 and so on. So this type should, we know that all integers can be written in the form of m by n. If m is any integer and n is any non-zero integer, then the number m by n is called rational numbers. So today we are going to learn about operations on rational numbers, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So we can see these figures, that natural number, then whole numbers together means 0 and natural numbers makes the whole number. Then this all group with the negative makes the integers, and all this group natural number, whole number, integers means all this together form a rational numbers. They are in the form of m by n, where n should not be equal to 0. So operations on rational numbers, let's just take some example. Okay, so we will take first addition. For example, 2 by 3 plus 4 by 3, you know the denominators are same, so we will write 3, 2 plus 4, that is equal to 6 by 3. Okay, now if you see 6 by 3, both are divisible by 3. 3 ones are, 3 twos are, so your answer is 2. If the same number is there, that is 2 by 3 plus for example 4 by 2. If you see here, the denominators are different, so we will make the denominator same. Then we are going to do the addition. So you know 3 twos are 6, so numerator also we will multiply with 2, and you know 2 threes are 6, and here 4 3 numerator also we will multiply with the 3. Whenever we are multiplying the denominator by which number, the numerator should be also multiplied with the same number. So what we will get the answer now? 2 twos are 4, 3 twos are 6 plus 4 threes are 12, 2 threes are 6. So now the denominator is same. So we'll write ones. Now what is the addition? 4 plus 12, that is equal to, we will write 4 plus 12, it is 16 by 6. Okay, so now both are divisible by 2. 2 threes are 6 and 2 eights are, so our answer is 8 by 3. So same thing for subtraction also, we are following the same thing. This was addition, same process we will do for the subtraction. There we are going to do subtract. Now if it is given multiplication, 2 by 3 multiplied with 4 by 2. So here numerator is multiplied with numerator and denominator is multiplied with denominator. So 4 twos are 8 and 3 twos are 6. Again we have to see whether it is further means after getting the answer we should convert into the simplest form. So you know 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. So our answer is 4 by 3. Now if the same it is given division, for example 2 by 3 divided by 4 by 2. So what we will do, we will write the reciprocal of this. Reciprocal means multiplicative inverse. Okay, or it is known as multiplicative inverse. Okay, the meaning is same. Reciprocal means the denominator will become numerator and numerator will become denominator, and division we will show with the multiplication sign. That is the first step when we are doing the division. So we will write 2 by 3 multiplied with, we have to write down the reciprocal, that is 2 by 4. Now you know that numerator is multiplied with numerator and denominator is multiplied with denominator. So you know 2 2s are 4, 3 4s are 12. Again, if you see, both are divisible by 4, 4 1s are, 4 3s are. So our answer is 1 by 3. So this was the operations on rational number. Subtraction, it is the same one, only we have to do the subtraction. So addition I have shown, then multiplication, division, this will change into multiplication, and this we have to write the reciprocal. Reciprocal means the numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. So we will proceed with the practice set 22. So practice set 22, it is given, carry out the operations, additions, carry out the following additions of rational number. If you see here, 5 by 6, 5 by 36 plus 6 by 42 it is given. But you know this we can write in the simplest form. So we can write 6 1s are 6 and 6 7s are 42. So we will write here like this, 5 by 36 plus 1 by 7. So we can write now, we know that 5 into 7 we will do, and 36 into 1, like this. We will do the multiplication. So we will write 5 into 7 plus 36 into 1, and here 36 into 7. Okay. So now we will solve. So 5 7s are 35 plus 36 1s are 36, and 36 into 7, 7 6 are 42, 4 carried over, 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 4 25. So our answer is 35 plus 36 71 by 252. This is our answer. Now next question is given, 1 2 by 3 plus 2 4 by 5. So we know how to convert. 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 2 5, it will be 5 by 3 plus 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 4 14 by 5. Okay. Now if you see the denominators, we can do cross multiplication. That is the easiest step. So we will write 5 into 5 plus 14 into 3 by 3 into 5. So 5 5s are 25, 14 3s are 42, and 3 5s are 15. So we will write 25 plus 42, it is 67 by 15. Okay. So we will go for the third one. So third one, it is given 11 by 17 plus 13 by 19. So again we will do the cross multiplication. So we can write 11 into 19 plus 17 into 13 by 17 multiply with 19. So 11 into 19, if we are doing, it is very, see 19 and again you write 19, here 0, multiplication directly. So 10 209. So it is 209 plus 17 13s are, you will get 221, and by 17 19s are, you do that rough work, so you will get 323. So you will get 209 plus 221. So we will get 430 by 323. Again, it is not divisible by further number, so it is our answer. Okay. Now fourth one, it is given 2 3 by 11 plus 1 3 by 77. So you know 11 twos are 22. 22 plus 3, it is 25 by 11 plus 77 into 1, 77. 77 plus 3, it is 80 by 77. So if you see here, denominator here, see it is 77, but you know, we know that 11 sevens are 77. So here we will do the multiplication. We can write 25 by 11 into 7, because the denominator will become same, because here the denominator is 77 and we know that 11 sevens are 77. So 80 by 77, or direct by this method also you can do, but it will be easy. So 25 into 7, it is 175 by 77 plus 80 by 77. Now the denominators are same. So we can write 175 by 80 by 77. So answer is 255 by 77. So this was about question number 1. So now we will go for the question number 2. It is given, carry out the following subtractions involving rational numbers. So first one it is given, again we will do the cross multiplication. So we can write first steps, 7 into 7 minus 11 into 3 and denominator 11 into 7. So it will become 7 sevens are 49, 11 threes are 33 by 77. So our answer we will get 49 minus 33, 16 by 77. Now next question it is given, 13 by 36 minus 2 by 40. If you see 2 by 40, it is divisible by 2. 2 ones are 2 20s are. Okay. So first step we can write 13 into 20 minus 36 into 1 by 36 into 20. So 13 twos are 26, put 1 0, and 36 ones are 36. 36 twos are we know 72 and put 1 0. So it will become 260 minus 36. Okay, so 260 minus 36, we will get the value 10 minus 6, it is 4. Then 5 minus 3, the value is 224 by 720. If you see both, it is divisible by 8. Okay. Both it is divisible by 8, or when you are dividing continuously, you will get 14 by 45. The value will be 14 by 45. Okay, so you can do division with 8, or you can do with 4. So you will get here answer. Okay. So here if you want, you can show here 224 divided by 8. Okay, 8 2s are 16. So we got 64. So 8 8s are 64. Okay. And here 720. So directly with 8, you will get 28. So I have done with division with 8. Okay. So we got 28 by 90. Again it is divisible by 2. 2 14s are and 2 45s are. So here is the answer. Okay, I have done orally, but I have shown here. So rough work you can do. And this you know directly. 9s are 72. So next question we will see. It is given 1 2 by 3 minus 3 5 by 6. So we can write 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 2, 5 by 3 minus 6 threes are 18, 18 plus 5, 23 by 6. Now if if you see here, denominator here, if we are multiplying with 2, we will get 6. So here we will do what? Multiply with 2. Okay. So 5 2s are 10, 3 2s are 6 minus 23 by 6. Okay. Because here the denominator was not same. So we will write now denominator is same. So 10 minus 23 by 6. So 10 minus 23 we will get minus 13 by 6. So this is our answer. Next question, it is given 4 1 by 2 minus 3 1 by 3. I have shown because here we made the denominator same. So like this we can do. So next question, fourth, it is given 4 1 by 2 minus 3 1 by 3. So convert it into a fraction. So we can write 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 9 by 2 minus 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 10 by 3. So we can go for the cross multiplication, that is 9 into 3 minus 2 into 10 by 2 into 3. So 9 3s are 27, 2 10s are 20, 2 3s are 6. Okay, so 27 minus 20, we will get the value 7 by 6. So this is our answer. Next we will go, that is question number 3. Question number 3, it is given, multiply the following rational numbers. So multiplication is what? Numerator is multiplied with numerator, denominator is multiplied with denominator. So we can write 3 2s are and 11 5s are. So 3 2s are 6, 11 5s are 55. If you see the next question, it is given 12 by 5 multiplied with 4 by 15. So again the numerator is multiplied with numerator and denominator is multiplied with denominator. Okay. So again what you will get the answer? 12 4s are 48 and 5 15s are 75. If you see both the number 4 plus 8 it is 12 and 7 plus 5 it is 12. Test divisibility of 3. If the sum of the digits is divisible, then the number is also divisible by 3. So 4 plus 8 it is 12 and 7 plus 5 is also 12. So 12 is divisible by 3. So 48 and 75 both are divisible by 3. So we can do with the 3 division. So 3 16 3s are 48 and here 25. Okay. So divided by 3. So we got the answer 16 by 25. Okay. So 48 both divisible by 3. Here I can show here divided by 3. So you will get 16 by 25. So always when you got whatever answer you are getting, again you have to convert into the simplest form. Here it is not possible because the numbers are not divisible by the same number. So we will solve the next question. It is given negative 8 by 9 multiplied with 3 by 4. So first step we will write numerator is multiplied with numerator and denominator is multiplied with denominator. So negative 8 into 3 it is negative 24. Negative multiplied with positive negative number and 9 4s are 36. Both unit 12, 12 2s are 12, 3s are. So our answer is negative 2 by 3. Both we have divided 24 by 36. Both are divisible by 12. So answer is 2 by 3. Next you see 0 by 6 the value is 0 into 0 multiplied with any number is always 0. So here directly also we can write. Now next question, fourth one. Write the multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse means reciprocal. That means denominator will become numerator and numerator will become denominator. So here we can write 2 by 5. So it is reciprocal is multiplicative inverse is 5 by 2. Now it is given next question, negative 3 by 8. So you know negative when we are answer 8 by 3, but negative sign will be in the numerator. Okay. Now next number, it is given negative sign. Again the negative sign will be in the numerator. Negative sign we are not writing in the denominator. So it will become 39 by negative 39 by 70. That you should remember. Here 7 means it is the denominator. That means 7 by 1 it is. So reciprocal will be 1 by 7. And here you convert into mix. So here I will show 7 into 3 plus 1 by 3, which I was telling orally, now I have shown here. So 7 3s are 21 plus 1. Okay, so orally I have done here. So here, sorry, here we have to do continuously. So 7 3s are 21, 20 plus 1 plus 21 plus 1, it is 22. So here we can write negative 22 by 3, because negative sign we are writing in, not in the denominator, but we are writing in the numerator. Okay. So next we will go for question number. So this is your reciprocal. Okay, that is reciprocal. So 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 1, it is 22, negative 22 by 3, that is, so we got this. So reciprocal will be what? Negative 3 by 22. This is the reciprocal. We got the answer. This is equal to, and the reciprocal will be negative 3 by 22. Okay. So first I solved here, shown, which was I was telling orally. So next we will go for the next question. Question number 5. It is given, carry out the divisions of rational numbers. So we will do the division. Division, first step what we are doing, this sign is shown with the multiplication and this will become reciprocal. Reciprocal means multiplicative inverse. This is first step. So we can write 40 by 12 multiplied with 4 by 10. Okay, division will change into multiplication and this will become reciprocal. Now numerator is multiplied with numerator, denominator is multiplied with denominator. So 40, 4 4s are 16, so put 1 0 and 12 10s are 12 10s are, it is 120. So see here 0 0 common, so it will become 16 by 12, which are again divisible by 4. 4 3s are 4, 4s are 16. So your answer is 4 by 3. Now next we will go, again same, we will write negative 10 by 11. Division we will solve with the multiplication and it will become opposite. So it will be 10 by 11, but the negative sign will be written in the numerator, because negative sign we are not writing in the denominator. So it will become negative 10 multiplied with negative 10 and 11 into 11. So negative negative, the sign will be positive. So 10 10s are 100 and 11 into 11 121. So this is our answer. So next third one. Third one, it is given negative 7 by 8 divided by 3 by 6. So again we will write 7 by 8 multiplied with 6 by 3 and negative sign will be in the numerator, since we are not writing the negative sign in the denominator. So it will become negative 7 multiplied with negative 6, 8 into 3. So your answer is 7 6 are negative negative positive, so it will be 7 6 are 42 and 8 3s are 24. If you see, both are divisible by 6. 6 4s are and 6 7s are 6 telling, so I have written here. So 6 7s are. Okay, 6 4s are 24 and 6 7s are 42. So our answer is 7 by 4 divided by, here I am showing 42 by 24, both are divisible by 6. So you are getting 7 by 4. Now this we can write first step, 2 by 3 multiplied with negative 1 by 4. Negative 4, 1 means it is equal to negative 4 by 1. Okay. So reciprocal will be 1 negative 1 by 4. So you will write 2 multiplied with negative 1. Numerator is multiplied with numerator and denominator is multiplied with denominator. So 2 in positive and negative multiplication, we will get negative 2. 2 ones are 2 and 3 fours are 12. So now both are divisible by 2. 2 ones are 2 6 are. So our answer is negative 1 by 6. Now next it is given 2 1 by 5 divided by 5 3 by 6. So we will convert into mixed fraction into fraction. This is mixed fraction. So 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1 11. So we will write 11 by 5 divided by, it is given 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 3 33 by 6. So that we will write 11 by 5. We know that division we are doing with multiplication, and this will become a reciprocal. That will, you will write 6 by 33. Now you know here we can see 6 and 33 both are divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6 and 3 11s are 33. So we can write 11 by 5 multiplied with 2 by 11. So now we can write 11 into 2 and 5 into 11. So we got 22 by 55. Now both are divisible by 11. So we will get the answer 2 by 5. Here I will show rough work. 22 by 55, both are divisible by 11. So 11 2s are, 11 5s are. So answer is 2 by 5. Next, if you will see, it is given negative 5 by 13 divided by 7 by 26. So here we will go write, that is negative 5 by 13 multiplied with reciprocal of this. Reciprocal means denominator becomes numerator and numerator becomes denominator. So it will be 26 by 7. So next step we will write negative 5 multiplied with 26 and 13 into 7. So 5 6 are 30, 3 carried over, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 3 13, and negative positive, negative sign will come. So 13 7s are 91. Okay. Now here both are divisible by 13. So answer we will get 10 by 7. Here we can show rough work. 130 negative divided by 91, both are divisible by 13. Okay, so 13 10s are 130 and 13 7s are 91. So here we have sixth answer. The answer is negative 10 by 7. Now if you see the next one, it is given 9 by 11. So we will write 9 by 11, division will turn into multiplication, and we will write reciprocal will be minus 8, reciprocal will be 1 by 8, and negative sign we are writing in the numerator. Always remember. So it will be negative 1 by 8. So now we will do numerator is multiplied with numerator and denominator is multiplied with the denominator. So answer we will get negative 9 by 88. So next, again we cannot convert into the simplest form because both are not divisible by the same number. Now if here we will see, so we can write 5 by 1 because no, nothing is there means this is 5 by 1. multiplied with 5 by 2. Reciprocal division will change into multiplication and it will become 5 by 2. So here 5 into 5 and 1 into 2. So 5 5s are 25 by 2. So here we solved practice set 22. Thank you for watching me.